Rippy here, Allen County Fairgrounds. Tough truck practice, modified class.
Staging them up. Here we go. First round of practice. Last corner, last lap. Here they come to the finish line. Central Ohio Tire across that finish line first. Central Ohio Tire times in 47.430. Hall and S. Scott Martin times in 52.156. Up next, one last shot. Travis Stevens and Wild Stallion Dale Donnell.
Going with the tiny tires.
One last shot and Wild Stallion. And 19 entries out here in the modified Tough Truck Challenge. Just told there are 22 entries for tonight's competition. Had a few more added in. One last shot on my right. Wild Stallion out there on my left. Oh, just about spins her out right here in that last corner.
Just practice.
One last shot, 48.903, and Wild Stallion, 51.